Hey, how's it going? I've got a problem with ReelSteady. It's changing my time code. I've always been under the impression that ReelSteady was supposed to just basically not mess with your metadata. I'm using it currently on a large production in a professional setting, and I've actually convinced the production to use ReelSteady on my FPV footage, and I'm just doing some tests where, well, actually I was looking at my first day footage where we were slating, and thanks to the QR code generator, my time code on my files is great. It's within 1 second of the slate. So that's working great. But if you look at this time code, it's probably, hopefully you can see that. It should be pretty much dead on with my burn-in right now in DaVinci Resolve. But now if you look at the ReelSteady version of this file, you see all of a sudden that the time code is different. Now go back to the original and it's dead on. Now let's look at the ReelSteady version and look at what happens to the time code. So anyway, I've put this in the forum. I haven't heard anything back yet. I put it in there yesterday. I hope maybe this will get the attention of one of the devs at ReelSteady. I know you guys are working on 2.0, but in the meantime, I've talked a large production company into using ReelSteady, and of course it's an amazing tool. I'm recording everything without stabilization with my FPV on this because it's mostly Cinewhoop stuff, and it doesn't really do well with hyper smooth. Typically, we need to use ReelSteady. So if you have any thoughts on this, anyone, I appreciate it. Thanks.